Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Tricia. This is my DIY decor diary, essentially a video diary of all the home decor and DIY projects I've been doing around my own home. If you love affordable home decor, you love interior design, or you just enjoy seeing a grungy space or an old piece of furniture get new life again, then this is the channel for you. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with your friends and family. I'm going to be doing tons of room transformations, furniture makeovers, shopping hauls, and lots of fun DIY projects. The first project I'm sharing with you is this dresser makeover DIY. We're going to give this dresser a new life in under $100. This is part 1 in a 3-part series of my Fall Bedroom Makeover. So be sure to subscribe and not miss out on seeing this room completely transformed to a bright and beautiful space. Since this entire room transformation is on a budget, I decided to paint this dresser and use some contact paper to add visual interest and texture. I used the Beyond Paint All-in-One in bright white. Their one-step technology requires no stripping, sanding, or priming. Watch till the end and let's see how this turns out, and I'll give you my review. First, I took out the drawers and removed all the existing hardware. I labeled each drawer so I can put them back later exactly as they were. Since I would be using new handles, I went ahead and filled the existing holes with some wood filler. Next, I got my husband to drill holes for the new handles. After measuring the width of the drawers, I then cut the contact paper into 6 pieces, 1 for each drawer front. I used 2 rows for this project. I cleaned the drawers, then went ahead and applied the paper to the front of each drawer. This peel and stick paper was very forgiving. You could reposition it easily and it went on so smoothly. There were no bubbles and all I did was smooth it out with my hands. No tools necessary. Since we pre-drilled the holes, all we had to do was line up the handles and screw them in. I got these gorgeous gold handles on Amazon for less than $25. I was able to get all the drills done in less than an hour. Now onto prepping and painting. Although this all-in-one paint gets you out of sanding, you never want to skip the cleaning. Over time, furniture accumulates dust and grime, even if you can't see it. Always clean with a degreaser or TSP solution. If you don't have either, just use Dawn dish soap. That works great. I used a 4-inch foam roller and a chip brush to apply the paint. I waited 2 to 3 hours between each coat. As I started putting on the second coat, I can tell right away 2 coats were not going to cut it. This is what it looked like after 2 coats of paint. And this is what it looked like after 2 more coats. Yep, I did 4 coats of paint to get full coverage, and then I finished it off with 2 coats of polyacrylic protective finish. So here's my review on the all-in-one paint. It did its job to cover the black with no bleed through. But although I didn't have to prime it, I did have to do 4 coats. This is a water-based product, so cleanup was easy, and it's been several months now since I've did this project, and it's held up really well to moderate use. Remember what this dresser looked like before? I am so happy with the way this dresser turned out. We did this in less than 24 hours and on budget. Don't forget to subscribe and look out for parts 2 and 3 where we complete this full master bedroom makeover. Thanks for watching.